Palestinians in Gaza held funerals for those killed in recent Israeli attacks, including aid seekers shot while trying to access food. Gaza's health ministry says Israeli forces opened fire multiple times at crowded aid distribution points, killing and injuring dozens. Humanitarian groups say the aid system forces civilians into combat zones. Israel claims it fired to control threats, but rights groups call the shootings unprovoked. Hamas accuses Israel of weaponizing hunger, charges Israel denies, blaming Hamas for diverting aid. Palestinians inspected the aftermath of an Israeli strike on a Gaza fuel station sheltering displaced people. The strike hit overnight in Gaza City, where civilians had sought refuge. It comes amid ongoing Israeli military operations following Hamas's October 7th attack, which killed 1,200 people and led to the capture of 251 hostages, according to Israeli figures. Gaza's health ministry says over 56,000 Palestinians have been killed, with mass displacement and worsening hunger across the enclave. In Gaza, hundreds gathered to mourn Palestinian journalist Mahmoud Abu Sharbi killed in an Israeli airstrike. The shrouded body of Abu Sharbi, still wearing his press vest, was carried through Gaza City by fellow journalists and mourners. A graduate in media and public relations, he was known for his coverage on Telegram, where his reporting reached over 100,000 followers. His father described him as a dedicated journalist who filmed sensitive and dangerous moments on the front lines. The strike that killed Abu Sharbi also left several civilians dead and injured. At Al Shifa Hospital, scenes of grief continued, with families mourning loved ones and medics treating wounded children. Israel has not commented on the specific strike. In Gaza, funerals were for Palestinians killed by Israeli fire as they attempted to collect humanitarian aid the previous night. According to Gaza's health ministry, the victims were among hundreds shot or shelled near distribution sites since late May. A UN human rights spokesperson said over 410 civilians have been killed while trying to access food from the Gaza Humanitarian Foundation. Israel claimed those killed were near military operations in the central Netzarim corridor, but said it was still reviewing the reports. The Gaza Humanitarian Foundation told Reuters it had no knowledge of any incident near its designated aid point, which lies several kilometers from the area. Many Palestinians continue to risk their lives approaching UN trucks and Israeli-controlled aid routes.